was the last time we shot one, Lucas?
That EF4.
Let's figure that average. Jacob, you play baseball, right? Fun! It's like a family road trip. Yeah, we do have 200 hours of clouds, sunsets, and most expensive home movie ever.
A tornado or not, right?
The National Weather Service in Kendra has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Woodland County in northern West Zander, Cherokee County in northern West Zander, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:58 a severe thunderstorm was located near Draco Village or 5 miles southeast of Prior Lake. Moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong-size hail and 50 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, tree damage is expected and minor hail damage to cars. Locations impacted include Prior Lake, Draco Village, Flynn. For your protection, move into interior on the lowest floor.